How to remove fuel filter on an 03 Sonoma S10 Blazer. I'm sure they're all the same. That's your fuel filter here. Mine's already been done at some point. You can see the clip's broken. Got this line there. There's two tabs on the filter right here, which I'll show you in the new one. It's right there. Just pinch them in, pop that line off, just like that. And then you just gotta unbolt that. The thread's there. If I can get my finger in there for you guys. Sorry, I had to quit the fuel filter video there. I ran out of camera space on my phone. Hope I figured that issue out here because I've done that a fair bit and I feel bad for it. So you got that, the two nuts there, the line's solid. So you break that and you break the filter spins off. The filter itself is threaded. And then for me, I pulled the filter straight through because my clamp was already broken. Above the filter, you have that black bracket. And above that filter, there's a nut which holds the fuel lines to the frame. You undo that nut and that will release the fuel lines. Sorry, guys, I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes here. That will remove the lines and the filter from the frame, which will then release the bracket and open up. And then you just slide the filter out. You slide the new filter in, thread it onto the line, torque it down with 2 wrenches. And from there, you put your fuel line back on the front. And then obviously put your lines up, everything bolted all back together. Once you're at that point, you go in the truck, fight with the ignition a couple times, cycle it through, on, off, on, off, on, off. And once you build up the fuel pressure, you should be good to start it up and you should have no problems. Check for leaks, obviously. And I recommend when you're doing it wear eye protection as you're working with fuel. You got road debris and grime. Make sure you have a drip tray underneath the truck when you're doing it, just to catch any leaks that occur, because you're going to lose fuel for sure. So if this video helps, subscribe, like. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, here's an example of cleaning up. I mean, it's possible it fell off the truck, but I mean, I'm going to say that's been removed. And they just dumped it on the side of a trail here. When I say on the side of the trail, yeah, there's my truck. That's where this muffler was. There's the brand. I love idiots.